We've also got our node graph here, which has come a long way as well. A lot more readable, and I love the sizing, like that it's scoped to the size, so you better understand how big a remote is or how many connections are made to a remote over certain other ones. But if I want to see like, well, who uses this title component from home? I can click on it and I say, okay, checkout depends on title. And I could see, well, who uses shop? Okay, shop is consuming shop as well. And it's also used in home and checkout. And we could go and look at the product page and say, okay, product page is used by shop. If I look at shop, we can see shop is connected to nav, page map, product page. It's connected to several parts of the application here. And then you can also go in here and like choose the node that you're trying to find if you're trying to search a specific node up. So it's also a lot easier to navigate as these systems get much larger. And we can also look at the depth of the nodes, which is a really nice feature to be able to see like how deep down do we get, or how many or few nodes do we want to display. Imagine if you had like 1,000 nodes in here, being able to filter the depth of those down would be useful, especially as nested remotes and things like that come along. And we can also filter these things out by direct connections. I'm not 100% sure if those are all wired up yet. Yeah, direction. Oh yeah, direction of connection. So then if I have that on there, I can see which direction it's going. It's a little hard to see, but you can see I have these arrows on here. So now I know who's consuming it and who's providing it, which I think is a big useful thing to know, is like, well, not that these two are connected somehow, but like, who is it? Who is it that I need to go inspect? Like if I'm going to change nav, who do I need to go and update? Okay, so I know I need to go and look at checkout, shop, and home, because nav is going to be impacting these three.